Hey everyone, welcome back to the Power BI series. In today's video, we are going to explore the Tools tab inside Power Query Editor. I will show you how to track the performance of your queries and how to view the detailed results to understand what's happening behind the scene. So I have already imported the data in my Power Query Editor. Now, this Tools tab option is present over here. You have to click on the Tools tab option. You will be able to see there are multiple options that are present over here. So let's try to see the first option, which is the Starts Diagnostics. So what will happen is whenever you perform any kind of transformations, once you have clicked on this option, this Power Query Editor will try to diagnose your each and every step and will give you the result in the three form, that is in the detailed form, in the aggregated form and in the partition form as well. So let's start the diagnostics option. So I have clicked on that option, and at the bottom you will be able to see the recording traces option. This you will be able to see recording traces. So what it is means that whatever the transformations that you will be applying on this query, all will be recorded. Each and every step that you will be performing on this query will be diagnosed. So let's try to fetch a year component from this date. So I want to create a new column and I want to fetch just the year component from that. So I hope you are familiar with which option I can use. Yes, I can use the add column option. So I will go to add column tab, then I will click on the date and I want to fetch the year component from this date. So now I'm able to see the year component that is being fetched. Also, I want to fetch the month name. So again, I will go to add column tab and in the month, I will be clicking on the name of the month. So I will be able to fetch the month column as well. Now what I want to do is I want to sort this particular cell's values. So how can I sort the values is I will click on this option, arrow option next to the column name, and I will sort the values in the descending order. So the values are now sorted, and let's try to change this case of this particular text that is present in my category column as a uppercase. So I just want to transform the existing query. I just want to transform the existing column. I don't want to create a new column. So I will go to the transform tab and I will click on the format and I will make it as a uppercase. So each and every character from that category column will be in the uppercase format. So whatever the steps that we have performing are recorded over here, and now I want to stop the diagnostics. So again I will go to the tools tab and I will click on the stop diagnostics option. So once I click on this, you will be able to see a new group will be created over here that is called as a diagnostics group, and over here you will be able to see that query diagnostics in the detailed form, in the aggregated form and in the partition form. So let me try to explain what does that means. So this detailed format or the detailed diagnostics, it will help you to see the step-by-step breakdown of the each transformations that you have performed and how much time that particular transformation took to execute. Okay, so this will help you to understand that part. Then there comes the diagnostics aggregated. So this particular diagnostic aggregated, it will give you the summary view showing the total time that is taken by the type of operation that you have performed on your query, right? And then there is a next option called as diagnostics partitions. So this partition, it will show the performance for the queries running in parallel. So what does that mean is if you have more than one query, that is if you have more than one table, then the Power Query will run them in the parallel. So whatever the transformations that you will be performing on that queries, all the queries, all the transformations you will be able to see in this partition. So right now I am just having the single query with me. So you are able to see that orders table only over here in the partition. So whatever the number of tables that you are having, you will be able to see the diagnostics of that particular tables in this partition sections. So there's the option that is called as the session diagnostics, and let's say you just want to diagnose only a single step. You are not interested in the diagnostics of each and every step. So in that case, you can use this first option, which is called as diagnostic step. So whichever the step that you are currently, you will be able to see that diagnostics. So I will click on diagnostics steps option. So now the another three detailed, aggregated and partition diagnostics got created for that specific text. So I will click on this. So I will be able to see the detailed diagnostics of that particular steps. In this aggregated section, I will be able to see the aggregated diagnostics, and for that particular query on that query, that whatever the transformation that we have created, and in the partitions you will be able to see that single partition got created. Okay, so this is the diagnostics option, and it is very helpful to understand the query performance. Whatever the transformations that you are performing on your queries, if you want to analyze that how much time which query is taking more number of time, so that you can optimize that query, then you will be using this tools tab. So that's a quick look at the diagnostics tool option in the Power Query editor. Now you know how to start, stop, and analyze the query performance. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more simple and practical Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.